Reviews are weird. I don't even know how to start it. Here it is, first review. I don't know what we're doing with it, but I can tell you what it is at least, and this is the Woodlink GoingGreen platform bird feeder. If you follow Flocking around for any length of time, or read any of our, suggestions for our favorite bird feeders, you would have seen this bird feeder at the top of all of our lists. A couple of reasons why. Number one, recycled plastic. It's more preventative for harboring bacteria. It's also recycled plastic, always a good thing, right? Reusing things that otherwise have no purpose. Hear that? Metal screen. So we've got plastic, we've got metal. No cedar, which oftentimes harbors a lot more bacteria that can hurt birds. Pausing for a burp. So why platform feeders? More birds and more diversity of birds. Many people suggest, platform feeders can be a problem, especially when there's a salmonella outbreak, and that is absolutely true. If you have a known salmonella outbreak in your area, you'll want to take platform feeders down because the fecal material that can, build up amongst the seed if birds are, dropping their business all over the seed can be a problem. However, when there's no salmonella outbreak, I prefer this because less transmittal of many other types of common bird diseases, such as conjunctivitis or housefinch eye disease. Those often transmitted through port feeders. So here at my house, I've got about 14 feeders up, and not a single one has a port. The majority of them are metal. A few of my backups, my platform backups, they are KT, cedar, and plastic. So I have a couple of less expensive ones that I use as backups or swap outs. And it's because I don't like the bottom plastic is not as sturdy, and then the sides are made of cedar and they hold moisture and bacteria with that porous material. So Woodlink GoingGreen, this is my favorite bird feeder. 90% recycled plastic, metal screen bottom. Now, this hanging mechanism here, it's just a cable, a wire that's got a nice thick plastic covering to make sure that nothing's getting pinched or there's not little metal fibers poking birds. I don't know that I like it better or worse than, say, the KT chain. However, it's just as sturdy. And then the hook, far better. That is a serious bird hanging hook. So, number one feeder for me. I love it. It's fairly easy to take apart, especially if you really need to do maintenance or cleaning on it. There are 2 screws in each corner that are easy to access. They've been slightly painted over, not very well, but slightly. And it can be pulled apart then, again, cleaning, maintenance, whatever you need to do to it. If you need to make adjustments to it, I am actually working on adjusting my Woodlink GoingGreen platform feeders to make them squirrel resistant by using other, what they call varmint guards, to create a barrier so that small birds and medium birds can get in, but larger birds and squirrels can't. Not that I want to prevent them from eating, I just want to prevent them from being in the platform where the small birds like to congregate. That is my review of the Woodlink GoingGreen platform. There's no organization to it. There are no, multi-point plans or anything like that. It's just a quality thing. And it costs more because you're paying for a better overall product. The wooden, the cedar platform feeders that you find, $10. However, this one, closer to $30. But this recycled plastic and very hard metal screen at the bottom that allows for drainage, these are going to last a very long time. Not getting paid for any of this. Didn't even get this for free. Paid for it myself. Bought it, had it shipped here because I can't find it in the stores. So it's just me offering, straightforward words because I got nothing else to offer. That is my flocking review of the Woodlink GoingGreen platform bird feeder. See ya sometime. Eventually. I don't know how to end it. It's a good product. That's better. End it there.